G'day ladies and gents, welcome to Xrissart. My name is Chrissy and thanks for joining me. If this is the first time you visited, welcome. If you would like to view more of my videos, please consider subscribing and perhaps give it a thumbs up. If you're enjoying this video, I occasionally share ideas and painting techniques and live stream from time to time. And don't forget to click the bell icon, that way you don't miss out on any videos as I upload them. I also have a Facebook page called Share Your Art with Xrissart, where you can share your art journey with us. The details are listed in the description box below. Okay, this project. This subject was so delicate and felt the only way to do this piece justice was with coloured pencil, and I used various collection of coloured pencils and the paper I used, of which I'll leave the details in the description box below. Before I talk about my process, I would like to talk about what this project is, and that is one of the designs for the back of my illustrated playing deck of cards, which is called The Elements. I've been working on this project for quite a while and am glad to say getting close to the end of the whole design process. My process for this individual project was to design something a little more delicate for the back card of my deck. I've been in two minds how I want the back of the card to look like, so I gave myself options to choose. I've painted another option of which I'll link at the end of this video so you can see what I've been thinking about. I'm usually quite decisive with my artwork, but I thought I would play around with a few ideas. I love this process, experimenting and trying new ideas. Mind you, I've had some hits and misses, which is okay, of course. I tried quite a few surfaces, but the one I settled on was the SemiGlazed texture watercolour paper by Clairefontaine, my favourite paper making people. I will leave the details in the description box below. This is 100% cotton and just gorgeous for coloured pencil artwork. It's 300 GSM or 140 pound. This particular size was 24 by 30 centimetres, and I was able to layer and layer on this surface without using OMS. If I can describe the tooth of the paper, I would say smooth with the right amount of tooth to grab the pigment and to allow application for detail. It was just perfect for the way I draw or paint. The coloured pencils I used all work beautifully together, and it was a whole heap of them. What I'll do also is list all of the coloured pencils that I used in this project in the description box below. You may have noticed I've used a white cotton glove. I cut the fingers off so I could grip the pencils better, and the idea of the glove is to prevent the oil and the perspiration from my hand contaminating the paper. I also used Glassine for added protection, and I only used the glove for a little while. I just wanted to see if it would make a difference. I think it may, or perhaps it was just a little overkill on the protection side, but you never know. About the subject, or should I say this tree for the card deck, this tree ties in with the story of my playing card project, and I have named this tree Lefkeliel.